Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are checking out the all-new 2025 Coachmen Catalina 261 BH Summit Series travel trailer. This is an extremely popular floor plan for a starter family camper. This thing has sleeping capacity for roughly 6 to 8 people pretty comfortably, and no slide outs. Pretty easy to tow. We're going to take a few minutes here, run you through the inside and outside of the RV, and kind of show you what this thing is all about. All right, we are now up inside the new 2025 Catalina 261 BH travel trailer here. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up a few seconds ago, this is a front bedroom, rear bunk bed, no slide out travel trailer here. So we're going to start back here in the back. We'll work our way forward for you. So back here on the right side is going to be your bathroom area for this RV. So looking up in here, kind of starting up top, we can see there is an AC duct in here. Glad to see that. You're going to have a roof vent up there, ABS tub surround, pull across curtain. It is a step-in shower, foot flush toilet, some storage under your sink area here, and a little mirror set up there. Over here is going to be one of your 2 oversized bunks. There is a window back there that does open. You also have USB charger ports here. Kind of looking down below here, another USB charger port. And then there's some storage area down below. A lot of people get some little totes or something to put down here for the kids' toys and maybe some of their clothes and stuff. Up top right here, you are going to have a couple little cubbies. There are TV hookups here, so if you wanted to do a TV, you could mount it to the wall here, but there is an HDMI thing right there. The hookups for the TV antenna and the booster, satellite prep, if you wanted to do a satellite to the RV, you could, and electric outlet over there. You have a pretty large, deep tint safety glass window that opens right there with a pull-down nightshade. There's going to be some overhead cabinet space there too. And looking down below right here, you are going to have your booth dinette. There's a little storage underneath it here. There's an electric outlet down there. That, again, will go down and make into a bed for extra sleeping. Now, this particular customer decided to do the backup camera on the RV. Very nice Furrion backup camera here. And the RV comes prepped for this. If it does interest you, talk with your salesperson about maybe adding that on. Over here, you are going to have the 10.7 cubic foot GE 12 volt refrigerator. So very nice refrigerator system right there. Just down below that is your electric box with the breakers and fuses. You have a GE microwave, hood range light and fan, and a GE 3-burner gas stovetop. The propane furnace is down below that. Then over here, you're going to have some storage underneath of the stove and sink area too. Up top, you are going to have more storage space up there. You got an electric outlet and USB charger ports there. The window behind the high-rise faucet there also opens. It is an undermount, one open sink right there. It is all linoleum floor in here. Now, kind of looking up at our ceiling right there, we have a GE ducted air conditioner with a heat pump also. So you can use basically an electric heater to keep the camper warm for a good part of the fall and early spring kind of time frame. Heat pumps only work really efficient to a certain temperature. I don't remember exactly what this one is set for. I might be able to try to find that for you and put it down. But it says on the sticker there that it operates down to outdoor temperatures of around 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you get much colder than that, fire up the propane furnace to really take over and work on things. You again are going to have some more ductwork throughout the ceiling, the JBL speaker up there. You have your sofa right here that will have some storage below there. It also has a little cup holder thing in the middle that'll flip up out of the way if you need the extra seating space, and also will go down and make into a bed. You'll have some more cubby space up here. The digital thermostat for your propane furnace and your GE air conditioner, also located right there. For privacy for the bedroom area, they put a pull-across curtain here. You are going to have a hanging closet on each side of the bed. There is an electric outlet and USB charger ports on each side of the bed. The window here on the right opens. Also, the window over there will open too. And you can kind of see back in behind here, there's a little shelf space there. So you could maybe, set your glasses, your phone, or, drink or whatever, or CPAP machine or something. And then you got your plugs and charger ports and stuff all over here. Looking down below, there's storage underneath of the bed. You can also see in there a little bit, the spare tire is stored underneath of the bed too. Over here on the back of the wall, you will have electric outlet and TV hookups. So if you want to mount a TV here so you could watch something at night, you could do so. But overall, guys, this is a very popular kind of starter floor plan for the family to get you into camping. Make sure you like it before you jump up into some of those real big, monstrous slide-out units that cost a lot more money. This is a great little starter unit again. We're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the new 2025 Catalina 261 BH. We're going to start here on the door side and work our way around for you. So first things up, this is an aluminum-sided, wood-studded RV. This thing has a pretty good size pass-through storage compartment there on the front. You can kind of see that area, along with the power jack buttons, the light switch for the front lights, and the solar charge controller when you do the solar option. You have a power awning here with a multi-color changing LED light strip in it. Currently got it set to red, but you can make it a bunch of different colors if you want to. You're going to have power awning. Again, LED light strip right there. Adjustable arms for tilting. Deep tint safety glass windows on the RV. You have, looking down here at the front, you could see the power front stabilizing jacks right there. You're going to have the heavy-duty MoreRide entry-exit step, getting you in and out of the RV. Comes down, touches the ground, adjustable feet. It has that black G-glass entry-exit door there with the window built in. And it is Lippert thin shade ready, so there's an aftermarket shade you can get for it. You have a JBL speaker out here that's controlled by the radio inside. You also have an electric outlet and cable outlet here, so you could set you up a TV if you want. It is a dual-axle unit. Drum brakes, easy lube hubs. There's going to be another storage compartment here, which is underneath the bunk area. In the bottom corner right there is the pet-friendly leash latch holder. Moving on around to the back side here, you are going to have prepping in the top center right there for the Furrion rear observation camera. Now, this customer went ahead and put the camera on, so talk with your salesperson if that does interest you. It's a very nice camera system that allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into the campsite. In the top left corner right there, it is prepped for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. Very nice ladder that telescopes up, hooks on, allows you to get up onto your roof to do your inspections of your seams and seals and stuff. Speaking of the roof, let's hop up here and check that out real quick. All right, I wanted to hop up here real quick and just kind of show you what the roof of the 261 BH Catalina kind of looks like here. Starting up here in the front, this customer ordered theirs with the 200 watt solar panel up here. If you don't get that option, it will be prepped, but you do have the choice to order it with it or without it. You are going to have your TV antenna here, your GE air conditioner, again with heat pump. You have a couple plumbing stack vents and a roof vent right there. Now it is very, very important to get up here from time to time, inspect your seams and your seals, and maintain your roof. Doesn't matter if it's fiberglass, rubber roof, TPO roof, PVC roof, whatever. They're all going to have these holes in them that you have to get up here and maintain on any of these RVs. All right, let's head back down. All right, so back down here on the ground here, you can see that black square in the lower middle down there. That is your water heater right there. Traditional 4-inch square tube bumper. A lot of people like to store their dump hose in the end of the bumper, or maybe put a small bike rack or something like that on there. The spare tire is actually, again, mounted or laying underneath of the bed in there. You've seen that when we were inside. Down below there is hot and cold low point water drains also. You have your cable inlet right here for cable or satellite. Just down below here, you can see again rear power stabilizer jacks on this one, and the dump for your gray and black. You're going to have your city water inlet right here, your black tank flush to clean out the toilet tank, your detachable 30 amp power cord. You can kind of see what that looks like there. Furnace exhaust out right here, stove vent out right there as well, and you also have your gravity fill fresh water tank right there. Just down below in front of the front axle is the low point water drain for that tank. Step back here so you can kind of see down the whole side of the RV a little better. And then right here is the other side of the storage compartment. Now this customer is going with an aftermarket Blue Ox weight distribution hitch system, very nice. And also the Lippert portable stow and go ladder, they went with that option as well. And also the backup camera you've seen. So there's a few odds and end items that a lot of people do buy and add on to these RVs as well. Now right here, you are gonna have some very important informational stuff, guys. So this particular RV was built 11/5 of 24. Model number again, 261BH. Gross vehicle weight, this is the most you're allowed to load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, 6,400 pounds. It had a dry weight when it rolled off the assembly line of 4,979 pounds with an exterior length of 30 feet 1 inch. Tire size, ST205 75R14 D-range tires with a 65 PSI cold. Very, very important to keep up with your tire pressure. That is extremely important on any RV when you're traveling with it. Now on around to the front side here, you can see this has a really nice rounded front shape to it. So it's not your traditional flat fiberglass front or flat front in general. You are basically, again, a nice smooth aluminum rolled back, making it a little more aerodynamic. And then this year they decided to put these pretty cool light strips in the front corners of the RV. And you got the switch in the storage compartment to turn those on and off. But these things really brighten up the front of the RV at nighttime. You have a power tongue jack here with the light built in, manual override in the front top head there. You have heavy duty safety chains, 2 5/16 hitch ball, 2 20-pound propane tanks, with the auto changeover regulator. There's room for 1, possibly 2 batteries, depending on the size of the battery you go with, to fit in here. It comes with 0 batteries from the RV maker. It does come with at least 1 from Couch's RV Nation when you buy from them. There's a battery disconnect down there as well to shut down the battery system when you're putting it in storage. The lower part down here is also kind of a black diamond plate look to it. But overall, a pretty cool look and some cool new features for the Catalina 261BH here, guys. All right, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. As always, you guys are greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos, please remember to subscribe so you can do so. Thanks again.